Hi, I'm so excited that you're about to get my free implementation checklist. This is going to help give you a really clear overview of what's involved if you're looking to implement a community approach or a cross sector approach to mental health in your local area. I really believe passionately that when implementing change, it's important to have a clear overview of the steps that you're going to be taking so that you can feel confident about what it is that you're going to do. And so you can sell that idea to others, but also to give your team a really clear sense of direction. It can also provide a really good sense of accomplishment as you are working through it and a sense of progress, particularly in those early stages when you're doing a lot of the groundwork. And it also allows you to delegate roles and share those responsibilities within a team. Look, I think the fact that you're here shows that you're a passionate individual, that you have a passion for mental health, and you really want to make a difference to your local area or community and to the people around you. So I think that's really exciting because I think that we have an opportunity to make a real difference. And there are so many passionate people out there. But what we need is a framework for change that allows those people to work together to achieve a common goal. I think it's really critical in this day and age that we start looking at how, as sectors such as health, education, law enforcement, community groups, sporting groups, and businesses, that we look at ways that we can work together to achieve the outcomes that we want. And particularly in a space like mental health, we need to plan for that integration and plan for that working together rather than just allowing it to happen incidentally, because we want to make this change sustainable and make it be long-lasting change that can then occur for a long time and can make a real difference and start saving lives. So look, that's why in addition to this implementation checklist that you'll be getting for free, I've also created an ebook that can help you if you're getting started on this journey. What I've done is I've taken the steps that are in the checklist that you're going to be receiving and really expanded on them in detail to give you a clear idea of how to go about doing that. So things like setting up your team, how to get that started, what it's going to look like, how to start collecting your data, and how to do it in ways that are creative and engaging for your audience, and thinking about how you might be looking at writing a wellbeing plan and how to engage those different sectors and your shire or your local government to actually start becoming involved in the process. I've tried to go into lots of detail for you so that you can really get a sense of what needs to happen. And this comes from my own experience as a chair for a community mental health action team. I've tried to put in place some of the strategies that I've found have worked, and I've tried to use the experience I've had with things that have worked and perhaps have not worked so that I can give you clear instructions, I suppose, and strategies that you can take and apply in your own setting, whether that's in a rural environment or whether that's in an urban environment. You can take it and make it successful in your environment. Look, I really hope this ebook can excite you about the journey because it's a very exciting space to be in. We can make real change happen. I think we've got all the right things there. It's certainly a time when there's funding available and the focus is on mental health. And it's about us taking that and making a difference to the people around us. And I think the fact that you're here shows that you're one of those people who can be part of that journey, which is really exciting. I'm hoping that this ebook can take a little bit of the hard work out for you, and hopefully it can feel like you've got someone there by your side that can support you in making this change happen. Look, if that sounds exciting to you, please click on the link when you finish watching this video to get your ebook. That will support also your free implementation checklist that you're already going to be getting. I would love to hear about any of your successes that you have and also the challenges you may face, because as we all know, none of these areas go without having some challenges, but it's what we do with those challenges and how we turn them into our future successes that makes all the difference. I'm really looking forward to you getting started on your journey and would love to hear about how you're going and what I can do to support the work you're doing in your own local area. So please jump on that link after this, and I look forward to talking to you soon.